Hello and welcome to my channel. Here I have the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, which came with this USB power supply that has a very weird design. This 5-watt power supply specification is 5.25 volts, 1 amp DC. Now the voltage of 5.25 is the mere limit for USB power supplies. So let's test it with this USB tester. 5.34 volts, not a good voltage. Let's see what happens when I connect a load. Here's the iPad that I'm going to use as a 1 amp load. Okay, 5.34. This is crazy, 5.53 volts, 5.54. This is crazy for USB. Why did Amazon choose this design? 5.58 volts now for just an iPad. I mean, it says on this in the back that it takes a voltage of 5.25, but I also know that this is also used on Amazon tablets. This is crazy. So why is it Amazon chose to put such a high voltage over USB loads? You see, for some wires, they have a lot of resistance, especially if there's such an incredibly long wire, they definitely have a high resistance. So I'm going to check the resistance of this wire using my multimeter and these alligator clamps. How dare you not be connected? Now with this little idiot connected, let's check the resistance. And we have 0.8 ohms. That's surprising for such a long length of wire. Must have some sort of copper in it. When calculating the voltage drop of the copper wire that's 3 meters long, the voltage input being 5.56 volts and the current across the wire being 0.9 amps, you get a dropped voltage of 0.1 volts. Obviously taking 0.1 volts off of this would not help. It doesn't meet specification of USB. Instead, let's try and calculate a cheaper wire made out of aluminium. Now calculating the voltage drop of an aluminium wire, 1.5 meters, the output voltage, again, drops by 0.1 volts. This isn't going to help, so I'm going to change it to 3 meters. Now calculating a voltage drop of an aluminium wire of 3 meters length, we have got a voltage drop of 0.18 volts. Still isn't helping, this does not meet USB specification. Now with having an output voltage of around 5.3 or 5.4 volts on my iPad, why is it still fine? You see, most tablets and phones in the modern day usually have protection against overvoltage and even undervoltage. Although it's still not recommended to have your devices charging with such a high voltage. Even though the voltage is still high, it's actually not too bad in temperature, so it's not too bad for a charger. I wouldn't trust charging my device with it. Well, that's stupid. Much better.
It is confused.
Yes, it is. Where is it?
It is up here.
It's going in circles and okay. It just ran away.
It's a dog.
No, it just ran away.
Oh.
See if it tries to kill me during this stupid security access. I'm going to kill it. Security stuff, technological stuff. I did it.
Oh.
Hacking.